Welcome to our channel, where we embark on a journey into the heart of spirituality. Today, we delve into the rich traditions and teachings of ISKCON, the International Society for Krishna Consciousness. Namaste and welcome, dear viewers, to our channel. And today we have a special treat for you as we explore the profound wisdom and vibrant culture of ISKCON. Joining us today is a devoted member of ISKCON. Thank you for being with us. Certainly, ISKCON is founded on the teachings of Bhagavad Gita and emphasizes the practice of Bhakti Yoga, the yoga of devotion. Central to our beliefs is the worship of Lord Krishna as the Supreme Personality of Godhead. We also promote vegetarianism, meditation, and living a life of compassion and service. ISKCON temples are vibrant hubs of spiritual activity, where devotees come together to chant, pray, and serve. Let's take a glimpse into the daily life of an ISKCON community. Absolutely. In ISKCON, we believe in offering our food to the divine before consuming it. This practice, known as Prasad, sanctifies the food and purifies the consciousness of the eater. It's not just about nourishing the body, but also feeding the soul. Thank you for sharing your insights into ISKCON with us today. And thank you, dear viewers, for joining us on this enlightening journey. Subscribe for more spiritual insights and exploration.